Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that in previous class we discussed meaning and definition of sentence and its part, okay, subject and predicate. Now today we discuss kinds of sentences, okay. So this is also the important part of sentence, kinds of sentence. So write down the heading in your grammar notebook, kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. Sentence is divided into 5 parts. There are 5 kinds of sentences. So you all write in table form. Sentence is divided into 5 parts. First one is our assertive or declarative sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence. Second is our interrogative. Second is interrogative or questions. Interrogative or questions. Third is our imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Fourth is your exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. And fifth, last one is your optative sentence. Optative sentence. Says optative sentences, imperative sentences, and the now listen carefully. First, there are 5 kinds of sentences. First is assertive or declarative sentences. Now, what is assertive or declarative sentences? Assertive or declarative means which states something, okay, which states facts, describe facts, or which states something, means it is in the form of statement. Assertive or declarative is always in the form of statement. Clear? Now, see, this shows the statement and it always ends with the full stop, because as you all know that statements are always ends with the full stop. Clear? Next, second is our interrogative or questions. Second is our interrogative or questions, in which we directly ask questions. Interrogative is what? In which we directly ask questions. Clear? Now, third one is imperative sentences, in which we do request, we give command, we give order, okay, in which we do request, give command, order. These all types of sentences are called imperative sentences, okay. Exclamatory sentences is what? Now, everyone listen one thing. If you don't understand my voice clearly, you can write from board, okay. I repeat, and if you don't see board properly, then you listen carefully and write in notebook. I speak everything, okay, from board. So don't worry about this and don't ask these type of questions in WhatsApp group. Clear? Okay. Now, what are exclamatory sentences? In which we show the admiration, we show the pity, we show the pittiness, we show the humbleness. These types of, we show the sorrow, okay, sorrow. We, oh, what a pity dress it is. So these type of words are called exclamatory sentences. Now, what is optative sentences? Optative sentences are those in which we do wish, in which we show desire, in which we show pray, in which we do pray. Okay. So these kinds of sentences are called octative sentences. So there are 5 kinds of sentences, and this is the base of grammar. Okay. So remember all things clearly. Okay. Write down in table form all sentences in proper manner. Now what we do? Now I explain each and every every kind is proper manner. So you all note down one by one in your notebook. So first of all you all make table. Now, first is your assertive or declarative sentence. First is assertive or declarative sentence. Sentences which describe or report something. Okay. Sentences which states facts, describe or report something is called assertive or declarative sentence. Now, I think everyone understood this definition. These sentences sometimes called statement also. These sentences are often called statements. Now, I think everyone understand. What are assertive or declarative? Sentences which states facts, describe or report something. Okay, जो कि describe करता है, report करता है और state करता है something is called assertive or declarative sentence, and these sentences are often called statements. Okay, we can call these sentences are statement also. Clear? So you all write this in proper manner in your grammar notebook. Okay. Now next point of this, a full stop placed at the end of statement. Clear? So what is full stop? This type of full stop. Clear? Now write down example. Reena likes to eat burger. Now Reena does not, because Reena is third person. Reena does not like to eat burger. Why we write these here? Because I forget to write one more point here, that a statement is positive or negative. Means assertive is divided into two parts, positive or negative. So here I give you example of positive or negative. Okay, so this is positive sentence statement and this is negative statement. This is positive statement and this is negative statement. Means this statement is divided. Write down this one more point also in your notebook. Before this, a full stop placed at the end of this statement. Before this, write down a statement is positive or negative. Clear? So, and after that you write a full stop placed at the end of statement. Clear? So, write down example. Reena likes to eat burger. This is positive. And Reena does not like to eat burger. This is negative sentence. Clear? So, this is our assertive or declarative sentences. Now, this is the definition, meaning, and this means this statement is divided into two parts, positive or negative. Okay? So, write down this. So, here our first kind is completed. Now, second is what? Interrogative, or questions. Sentences in which, definition is what? Sentences in which direct question asked is called interrogative, or questions. I think interrogative or questions come in each and every chapter. So, I think you all easily understand the interrogative in which we directly ask questions. Okay? What are interrogative? In which we directly ask questions and it always ends with question mark. And what it is? Question mark. This Q mark. Okay? Interrogative sentences are always ends with this mark. This question. Clear? So, any problem? I think no problem because everyone understands this. So, now example. When does the train arrive from Kolkata? So what we do? We directly ask question. Okay. So this way means here WH word come and it is always starts with WH word. Okay. Now when does the train arrive from Kolkata? Write down one more word here also. It starts with WH word. Means question start with WH words. Clear? So what is the question? When does the train arrive from Kolkata? Next is why is the train late? This is next example. So I think everyone understand this. Your interrogative completed. Now next is our third one. imperative sentences. What is imperative sentences? Sentences which express command. Sentences which express command, order, request, proposals, sentences which command, request, proposals, advice, suggestions, etc. are called imperative sentences. Are called imperative sentences. So what are imperative sentences? In which sentences express command, in which we give command, in which we give order, request, proposals, advice, suggestions. So these are called imperative sentences. So remember these words and then solve your problems. Clear? So these are imperative sentences. Example: please forgive me. Please forgive me. Go to your room. Go to your room. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. This is we do request, command, and in this we give advice. Now next is let us sit in the garden. Let us sit in the garden. This is proposal. This is proposals. So these are called imperative sentences. These are called imperative sentences. Now next is our